Hello viewers, in this lecture I'll be talking about the spectrum. So what is the spectrum? Basically, spectrum is a series of the waves that are created by the light of the sun. Just suppose that this is the sun and this sun produces a range of the waves. Just suppose that this is the range of the waves. Now in this waves there is a specific part that is visible to us. Rest is not visible. The part that is visible to us, we call that visible spectrum. Apart from that, the part that has greater frequency is known as the UV, and which is the less frequency is known as the IR, that is infrared, and UV stands for ultraviolet. Now, the visible spectrum do have 7 colors, which includes the red that starts from the IR region, and then we do have a code for that, Web-Gyor. I pronounce it like that. Okay, so for R it's a red, then orange, that stands for O, then yellow, that tells us about the yellow, Y, and then green, and then blue, and then indigo, that probably is a type of a purple color, and then violet, that is a type of a specific purple color. Indigo basically is somehow darker in blue nature and purplish. Then we do have violet, that is purple. This is a formation of the visible ray. Now this is a question that there is a specific range that do covers the Web-Gyor or the visible spectrum. But what about the UV and IR? So probably today we will be talking about some of the series that have been taught us. Basically there are 5 series that probably shows us about the spectrum that are being created. What is the spectrum? Basically it is a atom. This was discussed by the Bohr, and the limitation of the Bohr theory was that it is only applicable for electron, only one electron. And this spectrum is this series of the spectrum is also explained by electron. Just suppose that we do have so many lines. Just suppose that this is a shells of the electron, and this is the center, is the called our nucleus. Now this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth. Now when an electron falls from first shell to the last shell, it releases energy. This energy creates colors and shells. That's why we do call it spectrum. Now there are different series. As I told you, there are 5 types of series that are created by the formation. First one is called Lyman series. What happened in Lyman series? Basically this is a electron, this is a nucleus, and we do have so many shells. Just suppose that we do have shell in infinity. Now when an electron from the upper shell or falls to the first shell, that probably means that the place where it falls is equal to N1, and N1 is equal to the first shell. This is called the Lyman series. Now the N2, the place from where it falls will start from 2, 3 and up to infinity. This is called the Lyman series, where N2, the electron from the infinity, falls onto the first shell. Second is called the Balmer series. Balmer series N1 starts from the 2. That probably means that N2, that is probably the place from where it falls. It starts from 3, 4 and up to infinity. Past tense series is basically n1 is equal to 3 and n2 is equal to 4 up to infinity. Then we do have bracket and fun series, in which bracket series starts from the fourth one and fun series starts from the fifth one. Now when we talk about the regions, so basically the Lyman series lies in the region that is called UV, while the Balmer series lies in the region that we call visible, while the past and fun and the bracket series lies in the region of IR. And this is all about the spectrum. I hope that you get it, and thank you so much for watching.